Everyone knows that the king of the animals world is the lion. The jaws and claws of a lion are so powerful that when it catches an animal, it does not let it go until the animal dies. Today we are going to show you some dangerous lion attack which will blow your mind after watching them. Lion attack impala. Here are two impalas playing with each other, but they have no idea of the danger that coming, because a ferocious lion is watching them both. When the right opportunity comes, the lion comes running and attacks both the impala. One of them somehow managed to save his life and run away, but the other impala was not so lucky and gets caught by the lion. And the lion catches the neck of the impala in its jaws. The lion which its jaws with full force and does not let go until the prey stops moving. After some time, the cubs reach this and start clawing the impala. Lion attack crocodile. This is not a lion's attack but a fight to prove oneself more powerful. This is a fight between the lion and the crocodile over eating seeds. Here there is dead animal between the crocodile and the lion. Both of them pull it toward themselves with full force, but no one is ready to give up his prey to the other. The crocodile jaws are very strong and it is no less dangerous when it comes to hunting. The crocodile snatches the prey from the lion's mouth, but the surprising thing is that the lion does not attack the crocodile first. Maybe the crocodile thinks that the lion is scared of him, but he is the king of the jungle. Of this lion is not going to kill his prey with his hands. After some time, he takes the prey to the ground, and it is certain that the lion will have an upper hand over the crocodile on the ground. Lion attacks hyena. Two lions were strolling here and suddenly a hyena came in front of them. The hyena is completely unaware that today he is going to become someone's prey. Meanwhile, a lion pounces upon the hyena and catches it. By the way, hyena is also a carnivorous animal and quite a ferocious hunter. But if the hyena is not in a group, then it is no less than a wet cat in front of a lion. Here the hyena is alone and there are two lions. The hyena screams a lot and times to free itself, but he cannot stand before these two lions. In between he tries to stand up, but he is too injured. In the meantime, the hyena family comes there, but on seeing the lion they run away from there. Meanwhile, the lion presses the dead hyena in its jaws and drags it away. Lion attacks zebra. A varied form of nature with black and white colors on its body. They are usually herbivorous animals that often move in groups so as not to become prey to any dangerous animal. But despite this, many times they are not able to save themselves from becoming food for some dangerous animals. Many zebras were eating grass in a field, one of them standing near her newly born child. But then a lion attacks them and catches all the children in its mouth at once. Seeing the dangerous face of the lion, the rest of the animals run away from there. Even the mother of the child, this ruthless lion kills those zebra baby. It makes no difference to the lion. He is a child. The lion only cares about satisfying his hunger. This is the rule of the jungle.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
Lion attacks
and also
elephant.
press this bell icon.
Elephants are the biggest animals in the animal world. Messing with an elephant is a heavy burden for all animals. But sometimes even elephant becomes prey to a lion. Here a baby elephant is trapped in a group of lions. Seeing the king of the jungle, he wants to save himself, but they find the baby elephant alone and attacks him and takes rest after knocking him down. The injured elephant screams a lot to save his life and tries to stand up, but none of his attacks works before the lions. Ultimately, the continuous attack of the lions kill the elephant.